You are welcome back to I Plus Academy. Today we are going to be looking at a question on similar triangle. And the question says, using the similar triangles below, find A, line ST and B, line XV. Now looking at these two triangles, you will notice that one is bigger than the other based on their values of the sides. They are not drawn to scale. Now, for you to solve a similar triangles, the moment you know that they are similar, there is what we call linear factor, scale factor, area factor, and volume factor. You will notice that this triangle is bigger than this with a particular factor. We are going to be looking at the factor soon. And what do? You will look at the triangle we have in here. We have just one mark on this triangle, and that mark is equals to side is opposite side ST, right? If you look at the one mark here as well, for the triangle marked on red, the red triangle is opposite what? Line XW. That means the two sides are similar. So if I want to write that now, what I'm going to do, I will go to the one that has the single stroke of angle on green triangle. So that is line XT. So I will write line XT, right? Over, we have one single stroke of angle also on red triangle. The side facing it is what? Very good. Line XW. And going back to the green triangle, we also have double marked facing the side TU, right? Good. And for the red triangle, what side is it facing? For the two marked angles, it's facing XV. Very good. XV, line XV. And finally, the unmarked angle on green is facing what? SU. While the final one on red is facing what? VW. So we have finally brought out the similar sides. Now let's import and input the values that we have. For ST is unknown, right? XW was given as 12. TU was given as 3. XV unknown. And we have SU as 6 and VW as 8. Since we have a complete value here, this is where we have the scale factor. And if we divide both sides by 2, we'll be getting 3/4. So a particular triangle is 3/4 of the other. That's the meaning of that scale factor. We've done that before in our previous video. You can request for the video. Now, ST has no value there. We have line ST, right? Over 12. Now, to calculate ST, I'll be using it with this that is known. So, equals to 6/8 or 3/4. Now, if I cross multiply, so my line ST, we have to calculate, which is the question A, will be equals to what? You can pause the video for you to guess what will it be. Times 6 all over what? All over 8. And if you do this very well, we have 4 here is 2, 4 here is 3, right? 2 here 1, and 2 here we have 3. So we have 9 centimeters. So line ST is 9 centimeters. Now, in the same vein, we can calculate XV by putting it together with this that is known as well. So how can we do that? So we have 3/XV. So for question B, we have 3 over line XV equals 6/8. Good. So what do we have? If If you cross multiply, you'll be getting xv to be equals to 3 times 8 divided by 6. So if I cut very well, I'll be getting 2 here is 4 and 2 here is what? 3. So 3 will take care of 3, so we're having 4 centimeter. So if you like what you are watching right now, and you might want to recommend it for someone because you will be getting more of our videos, you can subscribe. I will employ you to subscribe, click the notification bell, and share. Thank you for listening.